Welcome to MOMO Trip Channel. Hi everyone. Today, we're exploring Kyoto City's new Sightseeing Limited Express bus. Starting from June 1st this year, Kyoto City has introduced a new Sightseeing Limited Express bus. This bus takes you to the most popular tourist spots quickly and comfortably. For example, you can easily visit spots like Kiyomizu Temple and Ginkaku-ji. Please note that currently, the bus operates only on Saturdays, Sundays, and public holidays. You don't need to buy tickets or make reservations in advance to ride this bus. Simply get on the bus at the front, pay your fare, then exit from the rear door. The fare is 500 yen for adults and 250 yen for children. You can pay with cash or an IC card. If you have a ride all day with the subway and bus one-day pass, insert it into the card slot on your first ride to print the date. After the first time, simply show it with the date to the driver. The Sightseeing Limited Express has two routes, 100 and 101. Let's take a closer look at each route. Route 100 offers an extensive tour. It starts at Kyoto Station, goes to
Gion, 祇園、岡崎公園美術館平安神宮前、銀閣寺前、銀閣寺道、岡崎公園美術館平安神宮前、祇園、清水道、五条坂
and back to Kyoto Station. This route covers many of Kyoto's most famous attractions. Route 101 is perfect for visiting Kiyomizu Temple. It starts at Kyoto Station and takes you to Gojo-zaka, then returns to Kyoto Station. Kiyomizu Dera, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is famous for its wooden stage that offers breathtaking views of Kyoto, especially during cherry blossom season and autumn foliage. Gion is the heart of Kyoto's geisha culture. This historic district is perfect for experiencing traditional tea houses and maybe spotting a geisha on her way to an engagement. Ginkaku-ji, or the Silver Pavilion, is renowned for its beautiful sand garden and the moss-covered grounds. It's a place of profound tranquility and scenic beauty. I hope you enjoyed this introduction to Kyoto's new Sightseeing Express bus. If you have any requests for future posts or videos, please let me know in the comments. I hope this channel helps you enjoy your trip to Japan. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up. See you in the next video.